Welcome to BotBee. In this video we'll show you how to send automatic WhatsApp message when you will enter data in Google Sheet. To begin, we must install an add-on known as Pabbly Connect Webhook. Go to Extensions and choose Get Add-on, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on is completely free to use, and it does not require a Pabbly Connect account. Click Install. Choose your account and allow it to install and wait while Pabbly Connect Webhooks is being installed. Go to Extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and choose Send on Event and hold a moment. Now get back to the Extensions tab, choose Pabbly Connect Webhooks and check if Send on Event option is checked, then choose the initial setup. Feed webhook URL and trigger column. To enter, go to the BotBee dashboard. Go to WhatsApp Webhook Workflow panel and click Create. Give a workflow name and select Payment Due from Message Template. Click the Create Workflow button. Now copy the webhook callback URL and paste here. The trigger column will be your final data column to which, if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Type your desired column name in trigger column and then click Send Test button. The message says the test data sent successfully. Let's check if the data is sent or not. Click Capture Webhook Response. Yes, we received data from Sheet. Choose the data you just sent from Google Sheet as a test. It is just for the very first time. Click Save Workflow. Now go to Sheet and click Submit and close it. Let's add a new row for the test. Let's check. Yes, the data has been received successfully. This is how you can integrate BotBee in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.